Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder with points piling up and dreams of jet-setting adventures, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm breaking down how to book flights using your Chase Sapphire points in a simple, step-by-step way. Let's dive in. First things first, what are Chase Sapphire points? These are rewards points you earn from cards like the Sapphire Preferred or Reserve through everyday spending. They're super versatile for travel, often valued at 1.25 to 1.5 cents per point, making them a smart way to save on flights. Step 1. Log into your Chase account online or via the app. Start by checking your points balance to ensure you have enough for your trip. It's easy. Just head to the rewards section and see what you've got. Step 2. Navigate to the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. This is your gateway to booking. Search for flights by entering your destinations, dates, and preferences, just like on any travel site. The portal partners with airlines and shows you options where you can use points. Step 3. Compare your choices. You'll see flights priced in points, cash, or a combination. Look for the best value. Sometimes mixing points and cash gets you a sweeter deal. Don't forget, booking through Chase can give you extra perks like travel insurance or bonus points. Step 4. Once you've picked your flight, review the details, confirm the redemption, and voila! Your points are deducted, and you get a confirmation email. It's that straightforward. A quick tip. For even better value, consider transferring your points to airline partners like United or Southwest for premium redemptions. And always book early to snag the best deals. There you have it, folks. Booking flights with Chase Sapphire points is a game changer for savvy travelers. Give it a try on your next trip and let me know in the comments how it goes. Safe travels, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks.